I don't think we can go back to how we used to. Kasi kung ano man yung meron kami before, sobrang kami talaga. Sa part ko ngayon, we're talking about feeling. Tsaka yung situation kasi from like 2 years ago, never naging kami ha. Never naging kami. I just wanted to really try again as friends. Sa akin naman, feeling ko, we really need to start from scratch talaga, from scratch na hindi siya pilit, na just let it flow naturally. But he's changed a lot, you know, I feel.
Better.
I think so. Sana lang hindi na siya pero sobrang like kahit gaano pa matagal yan, I always care about him. And I'm extremely proud of him for being here. Parang like, no, from the Will na kilala ko. Hindi ko from that time, I know his personality. Pareho naman kami alam namin kung ano yung gusto namin makamit sa buhay. We both know each other's fears, dreams. He still knows me by heart and I know me by heart.
And you don't want to lose that friendship, right? Or...
I don't want to lose him also. I don't know where to position ourselves from each other's lives right now.